Welcome old school legends and car audio enthusiasts. We are back at the Jeep JK Wrangler. Today we are going to look at installing our amplifiers on the amp rack. The amp rack needs to be installed. We have decided to put it on the roll cage, and to get it in I need to take off the canopy. Okay, so now we're about to install our amplifier rack. So as you can see, instead of putting amplifiers in the base of the trunk or the boot of the car here, I've actually elected to put the amplifiers across on the roll cage, which is a little bit different. So we've installed our beam clamps onto the roll cage, and we've got 4 beam clamps that our amplifier rack will mount to. So here we are with our amplifiers mounted, our 4 Orion XTR 275s and our 1 Orion 225. So with our tailgate shut, summertime with the roof off, that is going to look fantastic. So next up we have to do all our cabling. We've got our fuse distribution block still to do, battery box back on, our subwoofer enclosure build with our 3JL subs. So plenty to watch, so stay tuned guys. Thank you very much.